Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Johnny and I'm going to be doing a halo cut crease with this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm super excited, as you can see.
I just came to kick it, but really I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my.
So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills dark brown dip brow just to fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, they're already dark because I have them microbladed. I really don't care for the shape too much, so I just try to do my own thing and work with what I got. I'm taking the Tarte Tape Shape concealer to cover up my parts that I have microbladed because they're super thick, and everything else you can still see through them. So I'm just going on ahead and outlining my eyebrows, making my desired shape, just like me, really defined and fleeky, baby. So once I do that, I just blend out all of that concealer into my skin, and I use that concealer as a primer for my eyeshadow. I'm taking like this yellowish color because I'm going for like a sunset type of feel. I'm taking this yellowish color first as my transition color. Then I'm going to go in with like a orange. With just a little bit smaller of a brush, I'm going deep into my crease with this orange color. Then I'm going to take the like a burgundy or a burnt orange type of color just to really define that crease, because going from that to something really light, it just really makes all the colors pop, and it really defines that crease. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer. What I like to do is just put a little drop on each of the tips of my eyelids, and I'm using the Tape Shape concealer again, and once you look up, it actually always puts it in the perfect place.
And I can't wait so we can break apart the
So once that's done, what I'll do here is I'm taking like a really deep indigo type of color and just putting that into the outer and inner corners of my eye to give it, like I said, the halo effect. It's going to be darker on the outside and it's really light in the middle. And I'll take a turquoise color and blend it into the indigo just so it can be a nice little effect from going light to soft without, any harsh lines. So now I'm just taking a really light, almost white, white gold type of color, and I'm really defining the highest points of my eyelid.
With people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back.
So I'm using Bronze 4 Luminous foundation by Mary Kay. It's one of my favorite foundations.
Oh, with this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here.
Using that Tarte concealer to highlight my face, and I usually just do my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my jawline, and my forehead. Then I just use a beauty blender to blend out those harsh lines. So now I'm using my Fenty, like the foundation stick. It's in the color Truffle, and I'm using that to contour my face just as a cream contour. So I like to go in with that first before I use my my powder contour.
A little unimpressed with this, an antisocial pessimist. But usually
I'm just going to set that concealer under my eyes with the Sasha setting powder in the color Buttercup. And I'm just putting that everywhere that I put concealer.
discuss our big dreams, how we plan to take over the planet. So pardon my manners, I hope you'll understand that I'll be here. Not there in the kitchen with the girl who's always gossiping about her friends. So tell them I'll be here. Right next to the boy who's throwing up cause he can't take what's in his cup no more. Oh God, why am I here? Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here. Oh, here. And I can't wait so we can break apart.
So here is me now going on ahead and defining my nose and contouring my cheeks and everything with that NYX contour palette. Just blending in everything, making sure there's a nice flow from the high points to the low points of my face. So once I'm done there, I'm taking that turquoise color and I'm lining my waterline with that, and then I'm going in with that brown color that I use the deepest in my crease to just as an under eyeshadow. I'm lining my lips with this brown lip line pencil by MAC. I believe the color is Chestnut. Added some Fenty gloss, and now I'm adding my Fenty highlighter in the color Hustler Baby. And we are all done. This is the finished look. I'm really happy with it. It looks so good. Love how the eyeshadow came out. But yeah, so I am new to YouTube. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Like I said, my name is Johnny. I'm super excited to make YouTube videos. I'm super excited to get to know you guys and for you guys to get to know me. I know majority of y'all right now are family and friends who I've invited to watch my video, but that's cool too. It won't be like that for long. So yeah, I'm 24. I have a 1-year-old son. He's awesome, and I like to have fun. I love makeup. I've been doing makeup since, well, I've been sneaking and doing it for a lot longer than I've actually been doing it. But yeah, I almost forgot my setting spray here. I was so excited to be done. But so I did that, and we're gonna turn up some more. And like, I like to dance. I like to have fun. I think I'm pretty darn awesome. But I guess you guys can watch and see. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope that you like the finished look. If you got any comments for me, anything that I could do better, anything I could adjust, please leave them, in the comment section. If it's something that you like or something that you wanted to recreate, you can tag me. I'll have my social media info at the end. All right, thanks for watching. Love you.